Hi, it's Craig Hill here from ATAR Maths Tutoring, and I'm the lead teacher and owner of the business. We provide 1 hour online tutoring to students in Year 11 and 12 looking to optimise their ATAR final exam results and build learning confidence. The process involves a 1 hour online tutoring session that's all facilitated by Schoolify, a custom built program for tutoring that creates a great learning experience for the young person. We do a 1 hour tutoring session. After that, a weekly email report home saying what the student achieved, what the learning was about, and then their rock star moment. We'll include attachments such as the study guides and learning resources to keep the learning going at home. At the end of the term, we'll have a parent-teacher conference to check how things are going and how they're progressing in their learning. If you'd like to find out more details, just go onto Facebook and type in ATAR Maths Tutoring. Can't wait to see you there. Bye then.